What's up, guys? Dr. Tansini here. Welcome to your Daily Body Armor. I'm Tank, helping you with another way to bulletproof your body, continue to train in the gym, and live your best life. Now, today's one for all the ladies out there who just recently gave birth. We all know you're the toughest people on planet Earth. There's no one tougher than a mother who has given birth. You know, I've got a son, seeing what my wife had to go through. The ladies are the toughest beings on this earth, right? It's about time for us guys to recognize that. But that's that's a different topic for a different video. But that being said, a lot of you ladies want to help close up the abdominal midsection, right? So right where those abs come together. Diastasis recti is a common problem that many mothers go through. Um, and this is an exercise in which you can start to incorporate in your training and then in your day so that you can help to start closing up that midline um, so that you can take away the separation between the abs and really help set yourself up to live a bulletproof life from here on out. So we're going to have you grab a band or like a thick band or even a towel. So I'm a huge fan of grabbing a towel when you do these. But you're going to lay down on the back and you're going to cross it. So go ahead and cross it up, right? Knees bent. And what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze, right? So squeeze the middle line together, then tuck the chin and crunch up, right? So I want you to squeeze. So pull pull the abs together. You're going to tuck the chin and then crunch up, trying to pull your abs or the rib cage down towards the bell line. And you're just going to hold while you maintain that contraction and while you maintain that pressure with pulling the abdominal walls back together. Now, start this as soon as you're able to. So, you know, you're thinking in that 2 weeks out of giving birth, starting to really try and close up the abdominal wall so that you can close the separation and get the abs back that you really want to get so that you can not only have the abs that you want, but also bulletproof your middle line so that you can have less back pain and a better life moving forward. So, guys, give that a go. Hold it, contract, hold it for 30 to 60 seconds, 30 to 90 seconds, based on where you're at in the progression. Do that for 3 to 4 sets, right? And do that consistently. And that consistency is going to help move that abdominal wall back together and help you move forward with your life. So, guys, this is Dr. Chancini, Ground Overhead PT. This is an exercise my wife used very often in the early stages after she gave birth, and it worked awesome for her. It's worked awesome for other people. It'll work awesome for you too. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to join us tomorrow, and we'll see you then.